Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new home as well. So some of you may have seen that I've moved house. For those of you who don't know, I moved to London and this is my new flat. You're gonna see a lot of it in this vlog because it's gonna be like an organisation vlog. It's essentially gonna be me getting my life together, getting on top of things, putting things away, unpacking, basically getting on top of everything in every single aspect of my life ever. I essentially just need to sort my life out. So I'm gonna be doing like a little bit of a pamper as well because I need to like do my nails. I want to also, oh my god, I've got this new IPL device from Braun that I'm going to try out so I can get on top of my hair removal because I wasn't expecting the weather to be this warm in London, I won't lie. Anyway, let's go to the table and have a little chat. So first things first, I am a list person. I find it so much easier to have things written down, and I use my phone. I did use like a physical notebook, but I find it easy because I've got my phone with me all the time to just write my daily to-do list. So I've got like my weekly to-do on here, and today's list, I don't know if you'll be able to see it here, I just put like everything that I need to get done. So I've got walk the dogs in Battersea Park, which I have done this morning, get brunch at a cute cafe, which I've also done this morning, and then put stuff away in wardrobes, tidy kitchen, call the groomer because I need to get the dogs booked in for a groom, film a YouTube video, doing it right now, and sort out my parking permit. And then I'm going to add in chill because it's Friday evening. So I think what I'm going to start with is putting stuff away into my wardrobes. Obviously you guys will know this, but I find it so useful when moving to label each box because you can try and think you'll remember what's in them, but you really don't. I would say in the lead up to your move, save cardboard boxes. Like I've saved boxes that I've had stuff delivered in just so I can pack them and then bring them here. And it's always good to have a mixture of like boxes and bags to make it easier for like carrying. And I'm going to start with the actual suitcases that are in my room. So let's show you my room before. Would you like a before and after? This is my room before. And let's get going. I'm gonna put everything up in this wardrobe, everything that's gonna fit at least, and then I need to eventually in here get like a chest of drawers here and a chest of drawers here. So I did very lazy packing. However, I don't know whether it's lazy or whether it's genius because everything that I put into my suitcases is already on a hanger. So I don't know whether that's a good tip or a bad tip. But first of all, I'm gonna clean out the wardrobe just to make sure it's all nice and fresh before I put all my clothes and stuff in there. Before, after, oh my goodness me, this has taken me a while, but we are finally all organised. The bed is made, Lola's on the bed, and it's looking very tidy in here. I've shoved a lot of stuff under the bed, but yeah, the wardrobe is all organised. I have a little bit of an issue though because I can't actually open this door and I don't want to break it, so I can show you one organised side which just has like jumpers, tops, all like colour coordinated. Got my bags up there. I think I'm going to get another one of those to go in the top of there, and then I've just got jeans, trousers, this tiny little, I'm gonna rearrange this, but a tiny little shelf for my gym stuff. And then I just have my boots down here, my trainers are down the other side. But yeah, that's all organised. Put stuff in the bedside cabinets because they're huge, so I've just got like sleep stuff, hair bits, sunglasses there, and then a load of books down the bottom. And then in this one, literally pants, socks, bras, which will go in the chest of drawers. Excuse me, noisy motorbike. For now, I think that's pretty good. I think it's looking pretty nice and tidy. The dogs are absolutely exhausted. I'm absolutely I can't even speak. I'm absolutely exhausted. So I'm gonna go and have a break, eat some lunch. Jade went to the shop and I can smell downstairs what smells like spaghetti bolognese.
It sure is.
Oh my god, look at this!
It never looks good on camera though.
I know, but I wish they could smell this because it literally smells insane.
Not ready yet, hands off.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, right, I'm gonna go and have a little pamper, I think, while we wait for lunch. It has also cleared this whole area up. Look at this. What a great house guest.
I feel like I'm a mum sending my child to uni. Already.
Literally, you're cooking, you're organising. Look how clear this space is now. We've literally got so much floor space to play with. I'm like,
activities. So much room.
So much room for activities. You know what? Looking at my legs, I think I might go do some hair removal. Literally, how cute is this filming background? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The light in this room is so beautiful. And the window's open, that's why it's a little bit noisy. So, I think I'm gonna stick on some nails first because I painted my toenails this morning. And I just wanna do like, oh, I feel like I need to get in the shower as well. It's really hot today. Oh my god. I'm so ready for this spaghetti bolognese. We've had like weird meals today, so like I'm saying we're breaking for lunch, but it's kind of like, so we had brunch and then we're having like in between lunch dinner, like a dinner. We're still waiting for the Wi-Fi to come through with this flat, which is kind of annoying, so I might see if I can try and fix that because I feel like I'm being a bit stupid, but I just get really confused with all of the Wi-Fi cables and stuff. All done! Looking so much better and so much nicer. Also, I managed to get my wardrobe open, which is very handy because what I was looking for is right in here. But just to show you, my trainers, some more shoes, I've got coats and hoodies in here, and then I've just chucked some bags up there. My legs have been out in the past 2 days a lot more than I thought they were going to be. I thought I was going to move to London and the weather was going to be miserable, but it has been beautiful, which has been great for using my roof terrace. However, I made sure that I packed this because I really want to start my journey with the Braun IPL with you guys. I want to try it out and show you the results in like 4 weeks. I think when you're talking about moving and keeping on top of all of your beauty things, until I get to know this area, I'm going to carry on doing my beauty treatments from home. Essentially, I'm just bringing the salon to my new bedroom and I don't actually have to leave and go anywhere. I think I'm going to test it out on my legs. So this little baby, which is actually matching with my whole aesthetic very well, is beautiful. This is the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL device. That's a lot of words for saying essentially this is basically modeled on salon technology for hair removal using like a pulsed light. So the reason why I'm going to do an update vlog in 4 weeks is because you get visible results with this within 4 weeks. I'm literally so excited. It's the perfect time to do it right at the beginning of summer. Step into my office, aka my new bathroom. So first step is gotta remove all of the hair off of the area that you're going to treat. So I'm going to do my legs. And here we go. So down the side there's LED lights, and these have to be white in order for the device to work. So I'm just going to go along my legs with a kind of like gliding motion, and then I'm going to switch it over when I get to like the knee area for a smaller kind of window, which is easier to just do the kind of stamping motion, and it's better for getting into like hard to reach areas like your knees. And that is literally it. I'm going to be doing this once a week, and I will check back in with you in 4 weeks to show you my progress. So I just come downstairs and this area has been rearranged again. What do you think, Maddie bar? Look how cute this area looks, and we've got Chloe's shelves here as well, and I'm going to sit at this table, do a little bit of work, and then we're going to enjoy our bolognese. Okay, so back to the boring stuff. No, I'm just going through on my laptop of things that I need to sort. Number one being the Wi-Fi, because I'm currently hotspotting off of my phone to do my work and get onto the internet with. So yeah, I need to go and have another look at the router that's over there, but also all of the important things, finding out what day our rubbish and recycling collection day is. Just found out it's Wednesday, so I'm going to note that down. So annoying because there's so much to do when you move in. All you want to do is like put stuff away, and there's just loads of admin-y bits to do. Redirected my mail with Braun mail. What else is there to do? I've got a list here on my laptop. Oh yeah, I need to change the address that the dog's food gets delivered to. Okay. I have been waiting for this all day.
Slow cooked spag bog.
Spag bog? Jade's philosophy is 3/4 cheese, 1/4 meal. Look at this garlic bread. So I am ending the vlog on our beautiful rooftop. Can't really see it that much here. Such a lovely evening. Honestly, the weather is amazing. We are just chilling. I hope you enjoyed the vlog anyway. I hope you enjoyed sorting stuff out with me. The girls have requested that I try out my new device on them as well, so we'll see how it goes. Please give the video a thumbs up if you do like it. Leave me any comments below, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.